Welcome back. Now that we have reviewed some basic functions of collaboration with Calendar, we can now look at managing multiple calendars. And to create another calendar that we'll have control over within our calendar system, all we'll need to do is to go to this drop down arrow and then click Create a New Calendar. We can then write in that calendar's purpose, and we'll have all of the other details that were discussed earlier. We can make this calendar public, or we can choose to just share this calendar with someone else. So that if you want to have a certain calendar that doesn't have all of your details, but you want to make that calendar public, you can actually do that. What we're going to do now is we're just going to click Create Calendar. And you'll notice now that that calendar has been added. And you'll see that calendar in this area. We can choose to toggle that calendar off and on by clicking the link, making it available, so that we can see the events at a glance, or we can choose not to see the events at a glance. What we can also do is we can also view a calendar that a friend makes public. And we can do that by placing their email address inside of this area, and we'll be able to see the public portion of their calendar. Now, although Google uses the friend term, this could very well be a partner, or it can be someone with whom you're working, or someone to whom you have outsourced a task. Now, if you want to see all of your events at a glance, all you'll need to do is to use the Agenda button. And you'll notice that we'll see the assignments from Google Classroom. We'll also see the events that we have placed on the calendar, as well as everything else that we have listed in this sidebar. If we wanted to take out birthdays, for example, we could do that, and we will only see all of the other events. If we take out the classroom, we'll only see our particular calendar. So you have control over what you will actually see in the calendar in the agenda area, but agenda area is a great way of being able to note what you have coming up at a view where you can just see the line by line events. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.